Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A 50 x 100 metal building cost range is anywhere from $31,000 to $36,500 based on current steel material pricing. When calculating the steel building cost per square foot on a 50 x 100 steel building, you can expect to pay a rate of anywhere between $6.20 and $7.30 per square foot.
Take our lead.
The average cost to build a warehouse is $20 per square foot. Prices can range from $24,000 for a small 30 by 40 building up to $800,000 for a 50,000 square feet distribution center. This price includes the base metal building package along with delivery, construction and foundation.
Take our lead.
Metal is a cheaper material, and if you're on a tighter budget, it often makes economical sense to go with a metal building. When you compare metal sheds with all other building materials, metal sheds are always the cheapest. Wooden sheds tend to be more expensive, as wood is not a cheap material.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.